In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link Steam to a different Rockstar account. If you've been signed into the wrong Rockstar account or you simply want to switch, this guide will walk you through it clearly and safely. Before we start, a quick heads up: game progress, online profiles, and certain entitlements are tied to your Rockstar account, not your Steam account. Unlinking doesn't move progress between accounts, so make sure you are comfortable with that before proceeding. First, go to the Rockstar Games website and sign in. Once you are in, click your profile icon, choose Account. Then select Manage Account. From there, open the Connections section. You'll see your linked platforms listed. Find Steam and click Unlink next to it. This removes the bond between your current Rockstar account and your Steam profile. If that unlink option is grayed out or missing, don't worry, some accounts can't be unlinked directly due to security or policy restrictions. In that case, submit a request to Rockstar Support asking them to unlink Steam for you. They handle these requests regularly, and once they confirm it's done, you can move on. Next, make sure you have the credentials for the Rockstar account you want to use going forward. That means you know the correct email and password and can access any two-factor authentication codes if they're enabled. Having that ready will make the relink smooth. Now, switch over to Steam. Open your library and launch a Rockstar title. Something like Red Dead Redemption 2 or Grand Theft Auto 5 works perfectly. When the Rockstar Games launcher opens, it will prompt you to sign in. This is the key moment. Enter the login details for the new Rockstar account you want to link. Once you successfully sign in, Steam will bind to that account automatically. If the launcher signs you into an old account without asking, sign out inside the launcher, close it, and relaunch the game from Steam so it prompts you again. Give the launcher a moment to sync after you sign in, especially if it needs to update or verify game files. You should now be linked to the new Rockstar account, and future launches from Steam will continue to use it. Keep your credentials secure, and consider leaving two-factor authentication on for extra protection. That's it. Thanks for watching.